Hello and hi, you're watching yet another video from Mind Body Souls. My name is Diptii Lawreince. In almost all my videos, I touch upon the topic of self-healing. Most of us need healing of our emotional wounds. These are those wounds which arise because of a difficult childhood. Maybe some of us were exploited emotionally, physically, or sexually in the past. The reasons could be varied, but a common thing about these wounds or these traumas are that they settle in our body as pain body and control the way we behave and the way we see the world. So basically what it means is that our patterns of behavior are decided by these wounds. So the very first step in our upgradation or manifestation or in trying to attract better situations or people through law of attraction is to work on your inner wounds so that you can be clear, so that you can clear out that filter. Once that is clear, we can now build on a strong and positive foundation. I hope you have understood the importance of why we need to clear out these past traumas. Okay, so now that we have understood the importance of self-healing, let's get a peek into the different modalities which help us in this healing process. I've listed it out for you. Reiki is one of them, and that's the one that I practice. Mindfulness, pranic healing, EFT, family constellations, crystal therapy are few others to name. In this video, I'm going to go in depth about Reiki, as that is a modality that I practice. But before we discuss Reiki, I would like to talk a little bit about my journey, my ongoing journey with Reiki. It was about 9 years back, and I remember I was visiting India in vacations, and my son was around 1+ year old at that time. I remember having this intense calling to learn Reiki. I do not recollect if I had previously read about Reiki, and I had definitely not encountered a Reiki healing, but I don't know if I had read about it, but there was this intense calling to learn Reiki, and I remember taking my son along with me to learn Reiki because there was nobody back home to take care of him, so I had taken him along with me, and I had done my level 1 Reiki around 9+ years back. It was just the starting, and yeah, that was it. There was this intense calling which had to be answered, and I just had to learn Reiki. So that was then. Fast forward to today, I have completed my level 1, level 2, level 3A and level 3B. I'm currently a Reiki master, and what a journey it has been. So from wanting to heal my emotional wounds to learning, practicing and living the Reiki lifestyle, I'm now not only helping to heal people but also teaching them Reiki. And that's a big achievement that I hold very close to my heart, and I'm super proud of it. Yeah, so that was a small story behind my journey. Now coming to what Reiki is all about, how does it heal and how does it work? Let's see. Reiki is a healing technique, and it is based on the principle that a therapist can channel energy into the patient by means of touch to activate the natural healing processes of the patient's body and help to restore the physical and emotional well-being in the client. It involves the transfer of energy from the practitioner to the client. Reiki is an alternative healing technique which complements and escalates healing when it is used with conventional medicine. So it is not meant to replace the conventional medicine. It is meant to complement it. It is also important to note that at the Reiki master level, a practitioner can heal at distance. There is no need of a physical touch in healing. Reiki has been divided into Rei, which means the universal energy, and Ki, which means the vital energy or the life force. The universal energy or ray is available to all living things, but the quantity of ray that you channel depends on various factors. A big factor being that you're not able to uphold being in a constant high vibration state. A practitioner of Reiki, on the other hand, is able to channelize this energy and direct it at the client to balance the Ki. The balance of the Ki and the auric fields of the client is what soothes and brings about the healing. Reiki is very closely associated with the 7 chakras in our body. These chakras are also known as the energy centers, which regulate the flow of energy. So these are 7 in number, and the energy flow through them should be constant, consistent and balanced, so that we have physical health and vitality. Now, let me just quickly give you a brief about these chakras, and we will discuss about the chakras in the next video, and we'll also talk about crystal healing in the next video. So we start with the crown chakra, then we move on to our third eye chakra, the throat chakra, the heart chakra, the solar plexus, sacral chakra, and the root chakra. So this was a sneak peek into Reiki and the chakra system. We will cover much more in the coming videos. If you do have any queries, please do put in your questions and your comments in the comment section. I do hope that you found this video to be of value. If so, please go ahead and share it, like it, subscribe to our channel, show us some love. It means much to us. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Take care.